When Filipinos decide to get married abroad, Thailand is often at the top of the list. Whether you're marrying a Thai national, another Filipino, or someone from a different country, Thailand offers beautiful venues and a straightforward process. But here's what you need to understand. A wedding ceremony alone doesn't create a legal marriage. There's a specific government process you need to follow to make sure your marriage is recognized in both Thailand and the Philippines. Hello, I'm Pear from Siam Legal. In this video, I'm walking you through the complete legal roadmap for Filipinos marrying in Thailand. Every document you need, every office you'll visit, and the one final step most couples forget that keeps their marriage from being registered back home. Before we get into the steps, here's the quick picture. Your marriage becomes legally official in Thailand when you register at a government district office. But as a Filipino, you also need clearance from the Philippine embassy first. And after the wedding, you need to report it back to Philippine authorities. That's 3 parts. Prepare your documents, register in Thailand, then report it home. Miss any one of them and you'll run into problems. Let's go through each step now. This is where everything starts, and it happens in the Philippines before you travel. The Philippine embassy won't issue your marriage clearance without proof that you are actually single. That proof is called a sinomar, a certificate of no marriage from the Philippine Statistics Authority, or PSA. It searches the entire Philippine civil registry and confirms you have no existing marriages on file. Along with your sinomar, you need your PSA birth certificate to establish your identity. Before the embassy will accept these, both documents must be authenticated by the Department of Foreign Affairs. This confirms they are genuine and valid for international use. Processing takes time. Between PSA appointments and DFA authentication, you're looking at several weeks minimum. Don't book your Thailand wedding date until these authenticated documents are in your hands. Once you arrive in Thailand with your authenticated documents, head to the Philippine Embassy in Bangkok. Both parties usually need to appear in person. Here, you apply for your CLCCM, your Certificate of Legal Capacity to Contract Marriage. This is the document that officially tells Thai authorities you are free to marry. The embassy reviews your sinomar, checks your birth certificate, and issues it. Book your appointment early because slots fill fast. The CLCCM is valid for about 30 days, so time your application close to your wedding date. One more thing, the CLCCM is in English and Thai district offices cannot accept it that way. It needs to be translated into Thai and verified by Thailand's Ministry of Foreign Affairs before you can use it. A certified translator converts your CLCCM into Thai and stamps each page with their professional seal. You then submit everything to the Thai Ministry of Foreign Affairs, where they confirm the embassy signature is legitimate and the translation is accurate. Many couples use translation services that handle this entire step, from translating, submitting, and collecting your documents. It's a real time saver when you're also planning a wedding. With your verified documents ready, you register your marriage at a Thai district office. Offices in central Bangkok, particularly Bang Rak district, regularly handle foreign marriages and often have English-speaking staff. Provincial offices vary, so location matters. If you have a prenuptial agreement, bring it to the registration. Under Thai law, it's only valid when presented during the marriage registration itself. The process moves quickly. You declare your intention to marry, sign the register, and receive your Thai marriage certificates. The fee is usually just a few hundred baht. One thing to keep in mind, your religious ceremony, Buddhist blessing, or beach wedding is a meaningful celebration, but it doesn't create a legal marriage. Only this district office registration counts under Thai law. If you're finding this process a bit overwhelming and would rather have someone coordinate it for you, scan the QR code to connect with our legal team for a free consultation. Now we get to the step most couples forget, and the reason many marriages aren't recognized in the Philippines. Your Thai marriage certificate is in Thai, so you'll need a certified English translation. Submit both to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for verification, then file a report of marriage with the Philippine Embassy in Bangkok. The embassy sends your report to the PSA, which issues your official Philippine marriage certificate over the following months. Without this step, Your marriage exists in Thailand but not in Philippine government records. That creates problems every time you need to prove your marital status. Passport updates, visa applications, property matters, and more. Most couples plan 1 to 2 weeks in Bangkok to cover the embassy appointment, translation, verification, and registration. Build in some buffer time. It reduces stress and gives you flexibility if anything takes longer than expected. This process spans multiple government agencies across 2 countries, with specific documents and precise timing. At Siam Legal, we've spent over 20 years helping Filipinos navigate legal matters in Thailand, from prenuptial agreements, marriage registration and visas, to family law services. If you're planning to marry in Thailand and may be looking forward to living here long-term, click the link in the description to speak with our team. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Thailand immigration and family law matters. Thanks for watching. สวัสดีค่ะ